Hi everyone, it's Lisa and I'm back with a 60s inspired look that is perfect for Eid this year, especially if you're going to be wearing a mask. You're going to want to play up your eyes. This is super bold but wearable, so if you want to see how to get it, then just keep on watching. So starting off with the usual Benefit primer, but then using a different foundation this time. This is by Chanel. I love this foundation. It's matte without being cakey and it stays on like a dream. I'm going to skip through my eyebrows since you guys have seen me do them a million times, but I will leave all the product details in the description box below. To start off the eyes, I'm using this Bobbi Brown Corrector in Peach to get rid of any dark circles and discoloration on my inner corners and upper lids and to give us a base for our eyeshadow. You're going to want a bright and matte lid to create contrast, so I'm mixing white and off-white and patting that on my upper lid and into my brow bone before taking the black shadow and filling in the spaces between my lashes on my top lid and then creating a twin line using a brush right above my crease. It's not a retro look without a white or off-white pencil in your waterline. Next, I'm going to be using my current favorite product. It's this eyeliner by Mcgrath. It's actually double-sided, and I'm just going to be darkening up that line that we created earlier and creating a wing. Because this is double-sided, it makes it really easy to create bold or fine looks like this one. Then I'm just going to be continuing that line on my lower lash line and using the tip to connect the two. Big lashes are a must for a 60s look, so I'm just curling mine and adding mascara to the top and the bottom, especially the bottom as you can see. I'm also going to go ahead and add false lashes afterwards, but that's optional. To clean up and brighten the look, I'm just going to be using this lighter foundation, which I pretty much use as a concealer, and I just put that on the high points of my face, anywhere I want to lift and conceal, and I'm just going to be blending that in using a damp beauty blender. Now everybody bakes in different ways, but this is how I like to do it. I use a slightly damp beauty blender and my Laura Mercier Secret Radiant Brightening Powder, I think it's called, and instead of letting the powder sit, I actually just pat it right into the skin. I find that this works a lot better for me as I have drier skin. To contour my face and really give it that twiggy sort of a look, I'm going to be pressing this Kevyn Aucoin contour shade into my cheekbones and blending in an upwards direction. If your baby hairs are moving around, you're doing it right. And I'm just going to be taking that under my nose and chin for a more chiseled look. For a pop of color, I'm using this adorable baby pink blush by Sephora, and I'm just patting that onto the tops of my cheekbones. For the super 60s look, you're going to want to pat some concealer onto your lower and top lip, and then going in with a petal pink lip liner. This one is by NARS and very loved, as you can see, it's so short, and then just going over top of that with some gloss. Finally, I'm just going to be setting my makeup and fixing my hair, and that completes this 60s inspired Eid makeup look. I hope you guys love this, and I'll see you next time. Bye!